I want us to look at this question here. It's from the topic of commission. Now, a saleswoman is paid a commission of 2% on goods worth over 100,000. She is also paid a monthly salary of 12,000. In a certain month, she sold 360 handbags at Kenya shillings 500 each. But A, you calculate the saleswoman's earning that month. That was 3 marks. And part B of the question is, the following month, the saleswoman's monthly salary was increased by 10%. His total earning that month were Kenya shillings 17,600. So you calculate part 1 of the question B, the total amount of money received from the sale of handbags that month, 5 marks, and part 2, the number of handbags sold that month. So let us first of all analyze this question to see what we have and what we don't have. So solution for A. So for A, we are told that we have a commission. The commission was 2%. He was given a commission of 2% on goods over 100,000. So goods over. So when he sells goods over 100,000, he gets a commission of 2%. Anything above 100,000 is going to get a commission of 2%. Then we have the basic salary. We have, let me write here, the basic salary. Basic salary is salary at the end of the month. This is, it was 12,000. 12,000. What else do we have? Then we have the sales. We have the sales. So what he made that month, he sold 360 handbags. Then the price was 500 for each. 500. So this gives you in a calculator, it gives us 180,000. So now here we need first of all to calculate the amount above what he was now given commission. What he sold 180,000, but he was going to be given a commission after selling anything above 100,000. So what was above this 100,000? So we need to calculate amount above. So for us to get the amount above, we need to take now the sales 180,000, then subtract it from the goods above, which is 100,000. So you're going to get 80,000. So he was given commission for this 80,000. Now we need to get this commission that he received. Commission that this lady received. Remember, we are told that he was given a commission of 2%. Commission was 2% on goods above 100,000, and this was 80,000. So you are going to get 2% of 100 multiplied by 80,000. So this cancel that. We are going to get 800 times 2, which is 1,600. Now 1,600 is the commission that she received from the sale of 500, from the sale of 360 handbags. Now what was the total earning that month? Now the total earnings, and the total earning is given by the formula, the basic salary. The basic salary add to the commission, which is going to be, the basic salary was 12,000. The basic salary was 12,000. Add to commission, which was 1,600. So we are going to get the earnings that month was 13,600. 13,600. So this was her total earnings that month. Now we go to part B of the question. In part B of the question, so we have part B Roman 1 and Roman 2. So we are going to calculate part B Roman 1. So for part B Roman 1, we were told that the total amount, we need to calculate the total amount of money she received from the sale of the handbag that month. The total amount of money she received. Now we were told that, remember, the monthly salary was increased by 10. Now we need to find the new salary. We need to find the new salary after the increase. Now the new salary is going to be, we was told it was increased by 10%, so it's going to be 110% of 100 multiplied by, now what was the old salary? It was 12,000. The initial salary was 12,000. So we are going to get 13,000. We are going to get Kenya shillings 13,200. So you can see that the salary increased from 12,000 to 13,200. That was an increase. Now, after this increase, we need to find the commission that this person received. Let us find another place to work out the commission that this person received. Now, for us to get the commission, we are going to say that commission, remember we say that total earning is given by, total earnings is equal to basic salary plus the commission. Now we can use this same formula to find the commission. Now if we make commission the subject of the formula, we are going to have commission is equals to the total earnings. Commission is equal to the total earnings, then minus, subtracted from the basic salary. Now what was the total earning? The total earning that month, the total earning was now the total earnings was, we got 13,600. The total earning 13,600. But for now, for the new question, we are told that the new earning increased by, now became 17,600. So the total earning is going to be 17,600. So total earning 17,600 subtracted from the basic salary. What is the basic salary here? We are told that the new basic salary is going to be 13,200. So subtracted from 13,200, what do we get? So we get 13,400, we get 4,400. So our commission is now 4,400. And remember, this is the commission 4,400, and this 4,400 is equivalent to 2% commission. Now we can say that 2% commission is equal to 4,400. What about 100%? Now we need to get the net sales. So we are going to say that 2% is equal to 4,400. That is Kenya shillings. What about 100%? Now we need to find the net sales. So we have 100 multiplied by 4,400, then everything divided by 2. So we are going to get in your calculator, what do you get? You get 220,000. 220,000. So this 220,000 is now the net sales. This is the net sales, and we were told that he is going to be given this 2% on sales above 100,000. These are above 100,000. So this implies that for this 220,000, This is what she sold above. So to get now the gross sales, the amount she sold that month, we are going to take the net sales. To get now the sales, we need to take the net sales, which is 220,000. Then we add to the sales above, which is 100,000. So we get now the sales that month to be 320,000. This is 320,000. This is now the sales that month. We go to the last part of the question. You calculate the number of handbags sold that month. So you need to calculate the number of handbags sold that month. This is Roman 2, the number of handbags sold that month. So for us to get the number of handbags sold that month, what do? We are told that one handbag was 500 shillings, and she sold 360 handbags. So we need to find the new number of handbags that she sold, so that she got a commission of 4,400, which amounted to the now increased total earning, which is 17,600. Now, for us to get the total number of handbags, we are going to take the total sales. We take now the total sales. We divided by the price of one handbag. You divide it by the price, which is equal to, the total sales was 320,000. Then the price of one handbag was 500. So this gives you in your calculator, it gives you 640. Gives you 640 handbags. 640 handbags. Now guys, thank you, very important, and remember to subscribe, view and share to your friends. In summary, for you to find now the total earnings is given by the basic salary plus the commission. This implies that for you to get the commission, you are going to take now the total earnings minus the basic salary. Also, it implies that for you to get the basic salary, you are going to take the total earnings minus the commission. Then you get the basic salary. Thank you very much.